It's not an easy task for me to get up there, but when I find this waterfall, everything goes easy. This huge lake that is origin of the waterfall and is also the resource of drinking water of the local residents. Let's get into the jungle! Our exploration starts now! Woo! Could you imagine that I can get this chance to get so close to the nature, get so deep in the rainforest? After a day's tour, I found that this place really provides a peaceful and local feeling site, far away from the intensity of big cities. So, just seize your rest of your holiday and get into the nature.